Top stories today here at WeatherBug include some passing showers out west, maybe some isolated thunderstorms, and we're also looking at some milder conditions in the Midwest finally. And that will allow some spring-like weather to arrive here. But unfortunately, down in the southeast, those showers have been leading into some flooding. Take a look at the flooding concerns still from the Great Lakes region and all the way down to the Gulf Coast states. So this is where we've had an excessive amount of rainfall. If you happen to tune into the Kentucky Derby over the weekend, you noticed how wet it was in Louisville, Kentucky, and that's from the same storm still pinwheeling some of the showers here again in the eastern quadrant of the nation. So over the next 5 days, some of the heaviest amounts, and especially over the next day or two, we may have upwards of 3 to 4 inches of total precipitation, maybe isolated more as you get up into the higher elevations of the Appalachians on the eastern side as that conveyor belt of moisture continues. Also looking at some spotty shower and thunderstorm activity out in California. We need the rain out there. And also looking at some of those showers to work out into the central plains here by, say, midweek or so. Actually, that was 3-day precipitation. By 5 days, most of the moisture here in the midsection of the country will start to ramp up. High temperatures in the middle part of the country yesterday, much cooler than average. In fact, from St. Louis down to Houston, good 10 to almost 15 degrees below average. Today, we're still cool in the southeast, but look at that, Seattle at 18 degrees above average. And other than this southeastern lobe and this southwestern lobe, everybody else should be a little bit milder, kind of getting a little ridge of high pressure to set up in the central part of the country, allowing things to warm up. But there's your southeastern upper level low and a southwestern upper level low. That one yesterday actually kicking out one lone hail report. We had 1 inch or greater, and we'll just kind of follow these low pressure systems over the next 24 to 48 hours. That one out in the southwest, though, will be the cause for some thunderstorm activity. Some could be strong by midweek.